Hello, everybody, and welcome. My name is Eduard Piccoli, and I am an English and Spanish teacher at the Languages and Culture Department at Universidad de los Andes. As Professor Maximiliano may have already told you, the purpose of this video is to talk to you about the Cursos y support strategy and how I will provide support and feedback to you based on your reports in this part of the semester. I would like to get started by talking a little bit about myself. I am Italian, Colombian, Venezuelan, and I speak six different languages, but currently I'm mostly working with Spanish and English. I hold a bachelor's degree from Universidad Pedagógica Nacional with emphasis in humanities, Spanish and English, and a master's degree from Universidad de los Andes in foreign languages pedagogy. I am also part of the academic team in the Centro de Lenguas Global English program that started September last year. What is the Curso y Support Strategy? The Cursos y Support Strategy is an academic attempt that the university has taken in order to help you enhance both your academic and professional skills when using English. This strategy has three main objectives. First, to develop communicative competencies, receptive and productive in English. Second, to acquire academic content and content language. And third, to promote professional and academic interactions. How does the Cursos y Support comes into play in this class? Let me put it in other words. Which assignments require English support in this course? Finanzas 1 or Planeación Financiera. I visited this website and decided to extract this quote that I consider sums up what my role will be in your course. Writing good business reports can actually save your time and money and play a dramatic role in the future of your company. I took this from the smallbusiness.crown.com website. You, as experts in business administration, know very well, guys, that reports help you track developments over time, provide you with an audit trail, support purchasing decisions, and last but not least, lets you keep track or control over your duty to stakeholders. Now, how are we going to keep in touch throughout this part of the semester? Well, via Correo Uniandes or Uniandes email and via SICUA by using the Collaborate or Clase Remota link that the university has enabled for our remote classes. We previously arranged appointments. I will create new sessions in the Clase Remota link with titles such as written report, case 1, distribuidora, or case 2 feedback session. And they will always be here in this part of Clase Remota in SICUA. In order to do this, we need to keep in mind the following important dates. So today, April the 3rd, you handed in your first written report about the Case 1, Comercializadora Occidente. I will have a look at your reports during Semana Santa, and then on Monday, April 13th and Tuesday, April the 14th, I will open 2 online sessions in the evenings, perhaps from 7 to 8 p.m. I will let you know once we come back from Semana Santa or as soon as I have finished reading your reports during Semana Santa. And in these sessions, I will provide you with formative feedback. What does it mean? It means aspects you need to improve in terms of punctuation marks, coherence, and unity and main ideas, supporting ideas. Then the second moment will be on April the 24th. On this date, you will hand in the case 2 report, which is about the body shop. And I will feedback you on this on May the 8th, again, through online feedback sessions in the Clase Remota link in SICUA. This will be the final feedback. It is important to know that I'm always open to help you guys. As you know, we all have a very busy agenda this semester because of the contingency that we are going through all over the planet. So if you need to talk to me, feel free to reach me at my Uniandes email with anticipation so that we can set up an appointment and go over in detail your reports, perhaps outside the dates that I'm showing you here. All in all, this is all the information that I wanted to share with you in this video. Thank you very much. And remember that this is my Uniandes email address. And I wish you the very best for this Easter. Please stay home and keep yourself safe and sound.